This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing the device. Update iOS first so adaptive controls work correctly. Once updated, go to Settings, Display and Brightness and turn off Auto Brightness and True Tone so you control max output. Next, disable Low Power Mode because it caps brightness and performance. Make sure unnecessary background apps are closed and background app refresh is limited. This reduces heat and allows sustained peak brightness. Finally, remove any dark screen filters or cases that obscure light, and proceed to the next configuration steps. Now you tune deeper settings to increase perceived brightness and reduce eye strain. Go to Accessibility Display and Text Size and evaluate Reduce White Point. Lower it slightly only if colors look washed out, because it reduces peak brightness. Use Display Zoom to change scaling for larger UI elements, which can make content appear brighter. Test versus standard. Then configure night shift. Schedule it off during daytime and set color temperature to less warm so whites read brighter. Once done, continue to hardware and camera adjustments. Finish by addressing hardware and final checks. Clean the ambient light sensor and front lens area so auto brightness, if used, reads correctly, and remove matte screen protectors that can reduce peak luminance. For photos and video, enable HDR and use high brightness capture modes in camera to maximize output when previewing. If brightness still seems limited, restart the iPhone, and if needed, reset all settings to clear configuration conflicts. Troubleshooting tip: if problems persist, contact Apple support for potential hardware diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.